What's happening? This is Johnny Snow back in the building, and today we're gonna shoot this thing for the first time. All right. As you know, this right here is a Charles Daly Chiappa PAK9. Yeah, PAK9. Here's the PAK9 right here. Yeah, we're gonna do a video on this PAK9 after I do the video on this PAK9. All right, so back to the PAK9. With this PAK9, what I did, I took the original. Matter of fact, let me show you a picture of what this thing looked like originally. All right, so what I ended up doing is taking that big plastic pistol grip off, which also had the trigger guard attached to it and all that. It was ugly. It was a big piece of junk that they put on here. I took it off, and I took the feed mechanism off, and I took a feed mechanism off of a Draco PAK9, and put it on here. And we had to cut it right through here so the wood can get on it, and I can take the monstrosity of a foregrip that they had on this thing off. All right, so the PAK9 mechanism works perfectly, and I took the trigger guard off of a AK. Yeah, this is off of a I forgot what AK we took it off of, but it's just your standard trigger guard. Put it on here, and everything works perfectly. Took it to the range, had my first shots with it, and well, you know what? Here, you guys check it out. All right. So you see this thing fires fantastic. And you may have seen that I did not shoot it with this magazine. I used one of these magazines. Now, this magazine actually works good, but it is hell to load. I mean, I do not like loading this magazine. It may look better on the gun. It may give it the AK aesthetic and all that, but it is hell to load. I do not like loading this. So this is a Glock magazine. I just used the Glock magazine that I did not have trouble loading all the way up, so we can get a full magazine count in and shoot it and see if it would make it through the entire magazine, which it did. All right. So yes, this gun is freaking awesome. It is freaking awesome. I would recommend it. And the wood on here is from WAS Woodworks. WAS Woodworks. You can go find them on Instagram. And I let my homeboy Shannon up at Arrowhead do all the mechanical work in here, changing everything out. So, really, I really did not like PAK9s. I refused to buy a PAK9 until I saw my homeboy over at WAS Woodworks. When I saw that he had this, I was like, all right, I'll go ahead and get a PAK9 and go ahead and get this going. So, like I said, this is my PAK9 Johnny Snow style, a one of one. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe, follow what I do to these guns, and also the review on this one and first shots on this one. the PAK9 is coming up. Like I said, hit that like and subscribe. Johnny Snow about it.